Welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is take your box and then find the SIM ejector tool from the box, as you can see here, right there. Take it out. Now all you need to do is take your phone, and then at the top left you can see the SIM tray. Now just put it in and then press slightly and the tray will come out. Then pull it out just like so. Now take your SIM card. Now in this tray, this is the SIM 1 and this is the SIM 2. So this is micro SD, SIM 1 and SIM 2. So since I have only one SIM, I'll put it in the first tray, which is the SIM 1 tray. And once done, slightly push it in and then press gently and it will be flush just like that. And as you can see, now we have signal. And that is how you can insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.